The main thing is I want to explore India's soul, traveling through the each and every corner of India, through the villages, mainly in villages, and I want to explore the culture, food, and everything. In books and all, we studied India is a diversity in unity. So I want to realize, I want to experience the thing. That's why I travel. അതൊരു ബീഹാർ വണ്ടിയാണ് ഗൈസ്. നമ്മളങ്ങനെ അടുത്ത ബ്രിഡ്ജ് ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യാണ്. മുൻഷിത്താങ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് മര ബ്രിഡ്ജാണ്, മരമാണ്. സൈഡിൽ ഉരുക്ക് കമ്പി ഉണ്ട്. ഓ യെസ്. The special experience is I got a very positive warm welcome from everywhere. Wherever I'm went, I got the warm welcome from, especially in villages. They welcomed their village and stayed with them. They shared their food with me. So that pure real Indian culture, wherever the villages I got it, I realized I enjoyed that things. അധികം ബാക്കത്തെ ബ്രേക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാതെ എൻജിൻ ബ്രേക്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ബേസിലാണ് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. Language barrier. Actually, while starting the trip in 3-4 months back, I'm not specialized in any languages like that. I'm not expert in Hindi. I'm not expert in English like that. But through this journey, I'm blend. I can right now I can understand Hindi. I can communicate in Hindi. I learned Hindi, and also I can fluently speak English through this journey only. I got the opportunity while the traveling all over. Happy New Year, guys! Yeah. Any problems? Till now, I'm also so surprised because I didn't face any single problems in religions wise or language wise also, because everybody in everywhere people used to give me a warm welcome. They're happy to accommodate me in their villages, in their house. So I didn't feel any bad experience from all over India. I think in villages they will believe only in humanity. There is no any religions or language barriers there. Yeah, yes. While I'm entering in one of the village, I had one tea from there, tea and snacks from there. So from there, it's a small poor family. shop. So they didn't even taken money from me for the tea and snacks. What they told, it surprised me, because they told that by all the way you came here to visit our village, that is proud for them, so no need to pay anything, like that only they told. It's happened in Manipur, Sisipur area. Just by conversation in a hotel, I got a invite from a village. So I went there. So in there, the main thing is there is no any language communication with me and that village people, because I don't know their language, they don't know my language also. But in there we communicate easily using sign languages. So in that incident I am realized in traveling there is no any language barriers, no need of any knowledge in any languages. Without language also we can travel. It's one of the beautiful moments in my this trip, because in Gangtok, that is everybody knows Gangtok is a big city. While I'm walking, I got a friend from there. She's name is Shiga. So from there, she invited me to their villages. It's in North Sikkim area. That culture and everything is entirely different. I went there. That entire villages treated me like their child, like their brother, like that. So I got a awesome experience from there also. The main thing is we want clean and good roads. Connectivity should be improve more and more. And other things in all the way to road. Now, it should be some mainly the toilets. In throughout India, I saw somewhere in Karnataka, I got some nearby toilets. After that, there is no any toilets in, and even in national highways. So that toilets, it's a needed thing, especially for girls, not for boys. Especially in villages. Now, in villages, people believe in only humanity. There is no any differentiation between religion or language or nothing, color, nothing. They are believing in humanity only. That's why I got in every village. I got the warm, positive welcomes. Most of the villages that financial conditions are very much poor, because right now we know that farmers and all they are not getting the proper money back from their they are not getting any money from their farming, because right now we know the petrol pricing, everything is high only. So in villages their life is very poor right now. They are struggling a lot, and also after the lockdown, in especially in Assam and rural area, people came from in Assam. People, most of them are worked in Kerala. After the lockdown, they came to their own villages. So right now they don't have any jobs and all. So they're facing that issues also. It depends on state wise. I wondered that in Jharkhand, we know that in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh is a more tribal area, tribal states. But in their small children, they are used to go regularly schools. While all the way to roads, na, I saw that lot of children are going their school. And in Assam areas, schools are nearby in Majuli, especially in Majuli. It's an island area. In Majuli, I saw more than 30 schools in a single distance.
നിങ്ങളാ ഒരു വിഷു നോക്കി ഫുള്ള് മൂടൽ മഞ്ഞ് കയറിയിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ സൂര്യൻ ഉദിച്ച് വരുന്ന ആ ഒക്കെട്ടില്ല. രാവിലെ എണീറ്റ് ആനപ്പുറത്ത് കയറി വന്ന് സൂര്യോദയം കാണാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഭയങ്കര.
Yes, I'm started on 2020 in November. In that time, that in Kerala, that COVID management, all it's very strictly. If any single person entered in state, government knows the count and all. After leaving Kerala, if I'm say directly, I didn't face any COVID checking or something except Mizoram, because throughout the journey there is no any checking or nothing is there.
My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began.
Amog uni buma.
Buma.
Jama.
Ah. Kok porok. No. No.
Kok borok no.
No.
Loki debini muma.
In northeastern region, it's a totally different culture. In a small area, we will find a lot of cultural variation. In languages also, in every village wise language is varying. In Tripura, compared to Tripura, I felt that Tripura land is similar to Kerala plain region. Whatever the things grow in Kerala, that same things going in Tripura also. I felt some homely feelings once I reached Tripura. Yeah, it's that's an surprise experience for me. It's happened in Raishabari, that border village of Bangladesh and India. So I went there. I stayed with them around 4 days. From there, I got a tribal marriage function. It's totally different. Marriage is happening in night, and it's extended to 2 days. So I felt that all the tradition and everything is different. So it's for me. It's a wonderful experience.
ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ടെൻറ്റ് എവിടെയാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണണം? ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളൊരു കിടിലം പോലത്തെ കാഴ്ച കാണിച്ചു തരാവേ. യെസ്, എന്തെങ്കിലും എക്സ്പെക്റ്റേഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എവിടെയാണ് ടെൻറ്റ് എന്നുള്ള കാര്യത്തിൽ? നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് സി.
Change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives
I covered around 16 states. I didn't felt any simple negative things like this throughout my journey. Everybody is ready to give warm welcome and positive love and care to me. So still now I'm happy with that.